Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwad, and today we are talking about roof flashing. Our house is a little bit over 10 years old, and you can see that the flashing along this fake chimney area right here has the roof tar coming off of it, and it is unsightly. So you can see that there's some silver showing. So today I'm going to show you the best way to deal with that to make it look nice again. The materials I'm going to be using for this project are a box knife, box cutter, a piece of cardboard, and some high heat grill spray paint. I chose the high heat because this area of the house gets a lot of direct sunlight, and I didn't want to use standard spray paint. I chose to go with something made to handle the high heat in hopes that it will last longer. So the plan is to cut some stair steps that match the flashing on the house out of the cardboard. I'll then lay a second piece of cardboard on the house on the shingles to protect any overspray from damaging any area other than what we definitely want painted. Here's a closer look at the issue, and you can see where the silver is shining through, where the original spray paint or roofing tar that they used has come off. So we are going to use this Rust-Oleum high heat made for grills, and I have taken my cardboard and cut some slots in it so that I can step my way down and spray paint it as I go. I also have a second piece of cardboard here that's going to protect my shingles from the overspray. So I'm just going to set that up against it, and then I'm going to work my way down one step at a time. So as you can see, a little bit of grill spray paint, which is naturally flat typically, takes care of all that silver flashing showing, and from the ground it's going to look great. There are some spots on it still like this, but that's just because there's wet paint there. It'll all dry to be this nice flat finish. So you can now see we have nice black flashing that matches the roof. It is flat, so it's not glaringly obvious, and when the sun hits it in the afternoon, it's not going to be shining like a mirror up there and drawing attention to it. So it just kind of mutes it into the background. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click any of the links on the screen to take you some of my other more popular videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you guys have a great day.